There is money in Nigeria, you understand, but the issue is how do you get it? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Bachi Precious, and I just wanted to share something quickly today. People ask, how can I make money? Actually, how can I make money online in this country? Is there money? Where is the money coming from? I want to just assure you that there is money in this country. You just need to find out how to get your money or how to take your own share out of it. I learned this secret by working with a multi-millionaire for months and seeing how he made his money, and I decided to share this money with you. Firstly, the first way to make money, or the first thing to know before you start thinking about making money in this country, especially online or offline, is to have value, is to have something to exchange for the money. So it can either be a product, a skill, or a service. You have to have something to exchange for that money you're expecting, because money does not come for nothing. Something must come for something. You understand? So you have to first get a product, get a skill, a service, something that people want to pay for, something that people need, but they don't really know how to get it easily right now. You have to find out, how do I access or source this particular thing, you understand, that I can exchange for that money. That's the first and very, very vital step you need to understand. Then the next thing to do is to find out, how do I package this thing in a way that people will be able to understand and see that this thing is very important for them or can solve their problem. You understand? It does by creating an offer for them. You have to create an offer that will be able to reach out to people that really need that thing. Because some people may need something, but they may not even understand it. You understand? So when you create that offer, you have to create a message that will be able to help reach out to those people, a message that will be able to help you speak to those people that need that your solution, or that your product or service or skill. Then the next step is to market it. Find out, how do I get this my message, this my product, this my skill or service out to the world, to the people who need it. There are people that need whatever thing you are selling. You just need to find out, how do I get it out. And one of the most easily recommended way, thank God for social media, is social media and social media ads. Social media ads. You can learn how to create video content and speak or advertise your product, and even run ads. Facebook ads are there, Instagram ads, Snapchat ads, TikTok ads, and the rest. YouTube ads. There are ads out there that you can run for as little as 5,000 naira. You understand? And then you'll be able to get your message out to millions of people. Millions of people. Now that you have settled that, you then have to learn how to speak and sell to those people or close them, because as you've shown them the product that you are about to sell, you have shown them what you are offering. You need to be able to know how to close them and have to bring them to make them to pay. Then the final step is the distribution. How to distribute what they have gotten to them. People that are interested in getting, how do they get that particular thing? This particular secret I share to you, it doesn't just apply to just online product alone, both physical, both digital products. You can sell. If you can sell this, but if you can sell, you will not have to be ever be broke again. If you can sell, you won't have to ever be broke again. So there is more in this country. You just need to find out how to be able to sell something to collect your own. No matter how expensive your product is, there is someone that is willing to pay for it. The only problem you have right now is you do not know how to get that product to the face or in the eyes of those people who really need it. If you do like this video, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.